We have another snack crate here, just came in the mail. Thought we'd open it up and see what's in this one. We don't know where it's from. We're about to find out. There are two smaller snack crate boxes. And I'm intrigued. Let's see, what are in these? Uh-oh.
You need scissors.
One and two. We have in the first box, let's see, this is spicy garlic peanuts. I can't pronounce the name of it. Must be from some Asian country. Rave kettle cooked potatoes, sweet chili. Boom jelly lac. Couple of those. Some Go Nuts crunchy coated peanuts. Ooh, yum. Oh my goodness, lots in this one. I don't know what that is.
No, these are Asian snacks.
And I can't pronounce that either. Some type of cookie. And another type of cookie. Cat tot. Peeps Brulee. And a different one, different flavor. And some Mentos. Ooh, spice it up. We'll see about that. Some other type of cookie. Chebong. I apologize if I'm butchering these names. And Cal cheese wafer.
Ew.
That's in the first box. Now, we'll move on to the second box. We have
From the UK.
the UK.
Yep.
And this one, we have Space Raiders Spicy Flavor Cosmic Corn Snacks. And we have Twiglets High in Fiber, oven baked, not fried. Monster Munch Pickled Onion. Chewits, blue raspberry flavor. Somerset cheddar and shell flavored potato chips. Hot chocolate. Jammy Dodgers Mini, some type of cookie. Barrett fruit salad has me a little concerned. Refreshers original lemon flavor. It's like taffy. Chewits extreme sour apple. And Vimto Millions. Those look like nerds. And we also received the nutrition guidelines for those items. That's all we have in these two boxes. We will be trying these later, and we'll post another video and let you know exactly what we give a thumbs up and what does not pass our ratings. Until then,